I have traveled the world, seen places, also got to know Italy, Italia, richness of Venezia, wisdom of Bologna, greatness of Milan, beauty of Tuscany, power of Rome, joy of Napoli, Sicilia, la musica, la vita, vino, the best food in the world. What is my favorite Italian restaurant, you ask me? Dagino, Skopje, Macedonia, naturalmente. Buon appetito.